Hello, good evening everyone. Good evening Anisa ma'am. This has been awesome 5 days to make your presence in the marketing. Actually, I would say this was an amazing program of 5 days challenges people. What I liked best of this entire program was I found this program or the content or whatever Anisa ma'am told quite genuine. Like, guys, we need to increase, our marketing ways in such a way that we are increasing our organic presence. That's where the Google business page keeps on getting strengthened. You need that organic presence. Another thing I would like to add here is, like I told, whatever the program content and whatever the Anisa ma'am was speaking was so true. Like I would say, I had asked regarding those high-end treatments like indirect restoration, which are quite expensive to be frank. These are mostly what you call as want based. So these are like whatever, like veneers, smile makeovers. So as Anisa ma'am told, many of the big people, or maybe a few of the celebrity dentists in this category, they have started with maybe at the cost of free of cost or at no profit no loss. This was something amazing. I used to always think of it, but I used to feel, yeah, then what you are doing, like cheap sort of dentistry or what, I used to think. But definitely this is in my strategy next right away, right from the day one itself. When this FB live was, when the madam has spoken on FB live, so it has been implemented in my strategy right away. So I will scale up gradually on that part. Another amazing thing I liked was the group of people all around. They were all energetic and helping out each other, commenting on everyone's cover pics, photos, how we were developing those using different apps, different platforms. That was too amazing. And especially those batches which we have to post at the end of day, that used to push you ki okay chalo, let's finish up the challenge and post our that batch day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5. That was another thing. And I really liked the content or the Excel sheet which was sent by Anisa ma'am. There is so many different ways people can kickstart their practice right from the introductory stage to growth phase till maturity stage. That is, so I liked the overall content, and it's like so much one can do as far as getting new footfalls. What I would say is, people think ki okay, now like we are settled, we don't need more of marketing, it's only a word of mouth. Rather, I would say it's a modified or advanced word of mouth. Like, you have referral card systems, then you should have that thank note letters to be given, or the membership cards. Soon I'll be starting that also, I'm going to implement. So there are many small things I'm going to implement right away. I'm developing few of them. And guys, definitely you need some professional help where and when required, as far as maybe your logo to be designed, your branding. Like, they are into it since many years, definitely. So because first impression is the last impression, as everyone says, definitely you should have some basic ideas regarding canvas and all, and as has been explained by Anisa ma'am. So overall it was an amazing, those 5 days. I only for the Sunday, rest of the task I was on time. So I'm looking forward to now. As Anisa ma'am told, always stress on the patients which have walked into your clinic. I mean, by whatever means, by your signboard, by some referral, or wherever, you need to keep this bunch of people very very happy and satisfied. And these are the people who will build the foundation for anything. Let your, the Facebook page, the Insta page, or any other whatever your blogs, to spread it around in the public community to follow you now whom you want to be followed. Like, the public or the dentist, we want more of our clients or the public in the local community to follow us rather than our fellow dental colleagues. So this is what ma'am has pointed out. And definitely she has told, spending just lots of money on marketing and getting those pen design, is that won't help straight away. So getting people into your practice, so the key to that is keep your existing patients happy and create every content whichever you are creating, it has to have some story or some emotional connect with your public. So I've learned lot of things, small things, but definitely I'm looking for some sort of, I won't say an aggressive, but in a very planned way, and implementing these small changes in 2021. And I hope as the 2021 progresses, I'll be doing more of indirects and more of whatever I have dreamed of my practice. But definitely, it will take its own course, it will take its time. And thank you, Anisa ma'am, so much. Myself, Dr. Shripal Oswal. I would like to thank all of the senior practitioners and Dr. Meenakshi Verma ma'am, Mridu Miglani ma'am. I've learned a lot of things from those people as well, and really enjoyed my this session. Thank you so much.